In this part we will learn about how to make KML file in Google Earth. First create a folder from here, add folder, just place a name like new and OK. Now zoom to your location where you want to make your KML file. There is a river shape from here. We wanna digitize this river. Let's create a add polygon. Name polygon like river. Okay. Properties. The properties panel should be on while you digitize anything in Google Earth. Like you can make a zoom and start digitizing. If you click and drag, it will make continuous points. Pressing the backspace will do undo. You can move the screen using the arrow keys on the keyboard. Let's use this. Okay. You can change the border style, line color to the red. Okay. 205 and fill color. Okay, and opacity 0. Okay, now we have our shape. You wanna make this shape KML. To convert this shape into KML, just right click on this and save place as KML river.kml. Now open QGIS. You can drag and drop the shape. Drag and drop that file in QGIS and add on layers. The file is now open in our QGIS. Add a base map for better visualizations.